My gloves at? Lord have mercy. This must be a lot colder than it was the other day when I was out here. I didn't even look at the temperature gauge, but fingers feel like they're about to freeze off here. 36. I'll get me a screwdriver to slip in behind that. I got a mail call from Luke Palioka in there. I want to go in and show y'all about a minute or two. It has some projects in it that I'm going to be sharing with you. But I kind of want just to stick these in place first. And maybe, I suppose I could stick this drum on here, put a big nut over that and tighten it down to pull it out before I try to put the wheel on it. Might do that too. Just thinking I could get these to kind of start in there a little bit, just to get them to hold in place for a little bit. I suppose too, what I could do is I got these shiny little lug nuts like this one here. I just could stick one of them right onto that, and just tighten that down to snug that into place. But that's basically what happens here is when your lug nuts tighten those down, it pulls these up into where they need to go. I might pop out my little air wrench. Snug it. There. That gets in there good. Let's pull this other lug nut out of my pocket here. I don't wind up carrying it around all day. Put the other ones off. I'll put some never sees on these shafts, these other lugs that are here. Oh, I can't get over how cold my fingers are. Geez, I wonder how cold it is outside. Sun's shining nice. It's supposed to warm up maybe next day or two. And a friend of mine was down in Georgia talking about walking down the lake and being almost 70 degrees. Made me kind of wish I was there. I did go online and look at some pictures of spring in Maine a while ago, just to remind myself that it's not always going to be this way. Well, it's just cold. Doesn't feel very fun right now. We'll never seize on these others that didn't break or mess up, causing trouble. Just make sure that they won't the next time. We'll put some on these new ones too. I'll put this stuff back over there before I can't hardly get over how cold it is this morning. I need to go inside and open my mail car. Got the sun warm things up a little bit. It's gonna. Sounds like Honeybabe's back. I'm gonna go inside. I can't feel my finger. Not ever a good thing. Let me go inside and warm up a little bit. I'll be back. How cold is it out here? How cold is it?
Cold?
Yeah. How cold? How cold?
It's cold.
Did you look at the thermometer?
19. It's been 19 since I left this morning.
I just lost the feeling in my fingertips, and yeah. I was telling the tubers, I said, I think I'll go in for a minute or two. I only been out here a little bit, but I wasn't prepared to get so frozenated.